Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming power sources. Remove the pack and insert 2 fresh AA batteries or a fully charged play and charge battery. Once done, inspect the battery compartment for corrosion or bent contacts because poor contact prevents current flow. Make sure batteries sit flush and the pack clicks into place. Then power on the console and press the guide button. If the guide light does not pulse, you will proceed to syncing and diagnostics next. Next, you perform sync and reset actions to isolate the issue. First, power cycle the console by shutting down and unplugging for 10 seconds to clear any transient faults. Then, press the console sync button followed by the controller sync button. Hold the guide button for 3 seconds to initiate pairing. If pairing fails, connect the controller by USB cable to force it on and update firmware. These steps reveal whether the problem is wireless radio, pairing state, or a hardware power fault. Finally, focus on contact and component fixes. Clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab, allow them to dry fully, then reseat the battery pack. If the controller powers via USB but not wirelessly, replace the battery pack or the controller radio assembly because internal faults often cause that behavior. Make sure to test the controller on another console or try a known good controller on your console.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.